Okay, then I'm going to show you how to make this frame. And this is transparent, like this. So it's beautiful when you put it near the window and like with sunshine from the back. It looks so beautiful. And I'm going to make a frame for this model. Okay, this one. Okay, then I use this paper. The size is A4 size. So I want to make easier. So first I cut it in half. A4 サイズの紙を半分に切りました。で、さらに半分に切ります。So, I cut the paper into half again. And the other half, it should be cut in half. I have 4 pieces, and one piece comes like this. Then fold it in half like this. Then fold like this. This goes like this. Then I'm going to one more piece like this. Okay. もう一つ作ります。半分に折って、中心に合わせて折ります。こんな感じかな。はい、2つできました。これが2つですね。で、こちらはどっちが表か分かりないか。こちらも同じように2つこのようにしていきます。でこちらの2つは中心に合わせてちょっと反対に分かりやすいかな。Make a crease here like this and make a crease here like this。ここに折り目をつけます。こうなりますね。Then we do the same for this side too. Make a crease like this. Then make crease on this side too. Then it can go like this. Then we do the same thing on this side too. can go this way. Okay. Then I'm going to make the same thing one more time. Up to here. Then to then when you put this frame, but it can make a little gap like this, so I want you to cut the paper here up to here. Then place this flame inside. It can go up to here, so it doesn't make a gap here. It can fit perfectly. Like this. Almost perfect. Okay. Then we do the same thing for this frame too.こちらも多分大丈夫だと思いますけど。Okay. Can go like this. Okay. 大丈夫ですね。はい。Then just put it aside. Then I cut a thin plastic board into 2 pieces for the size of the frame. The thickness of the plastic board is 0.2 millimeter, so very thin. I have 2 sheets of plastic board like this. Maybe it's difficult to see like this. They're 2 pieces. Then what I do is sandwich this back inside like this. Okay, like this. In order to put it just the center of this frame, you need a strategy. So I usually put a little bit of double-sided tape in the center of origami so that it doesn't move inside of the frame. Here, like this. Then place your origami precisely in the center like this. Then put another plastic board to sandwich your origami like this. 折り紙を挟んだら四隅をセロテープで留めていきます。Then I'm going to apply Scotch tape to close all four sides. I'm going to put it inside of the frame. そう、中に入れていきます。ここに挟むようにして入れます。なんかこうクリップでね、留めるといいかな。こんな風に留めていきます。ぴったり入りますね。で、ちょっとこうのりで少しだけ、ほんの少しでいいので、ちょっと put a little glue here like this, both side maybe, then to secure the flame. Okay. Use a little bit of glue. ちょっとだけ。少し。はい、できました。ちょっとここが小さかったかな。このスタンドの作り方は他の動画に載せてありますので、そちらを参考にしてください。で、これができたら、のりが乾いたら、このように飾ってみてください。はい、できました。 こに置いてみました。こんな感じで綺麗に見えますね。